That was my touch and go.
Nice. Is it getting enough power?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's just heavy. It is heavy. That's what I said. It is heavy.
It almost looks like, yeah. Looks like when you took off, it like stalled right away. It did.
Jesus Christ. Do you have it full throttle?
Yeah. It's on full throttle right now.
Are you trying to slim it out?
It's trying to. Yeah, it wants to climb a lot.
Yeah. At least that's what he's wanting.
So far, good. It might float in with no power if it wants to climb.
That thing will come down like a rock without any power. Sure.
Wow,
Yeah,
it seems
it's
to be
heavy.
flying okay. Watch. We'll No, I'm just saying it's heavy though. You can feel it. You want it, Russell?
Huh? Yeah, but I'm going to have you bring it in because I'm not used to it.
Let's see if we get to that stage. I'm going to go half throttle on her. Okay? All yours. Everything looks pretty good. Just touch you on the elevator, okay? So just play with it. You can set those flappy lips in the air.
Yeah.
I can't believe that thing took off after hitting the ground like that. Keep her over here, Russ.
Yeah, I'm going to try to get it over here.
Fine, good. Keep the throttle down like that.
Nice.
Just remember, if you get into a stall, we can hammer the throttle because you're only half throttle. So.
Hey, you guys want Han Solo?
She looks beautiful.
Sounds good too.
Nice looking plane. Oh, black spot.
Yeah. Go back.
Now.
You got it, Russell?
I can't see it.
Nobody can see it now.
Where is it? I see it.
Oh, you got
Bring
it.
it back.
Good job.
Nice job.
Anything, Russ?
Black spots.
All I got is spots in front of my eyes, but I can see it.
Just keep her up.
A little more power might not hurt.
Yeah, you can probably give a little power. Give a little power. Just feather your elevator because it is set high. It wants the tail stall. You know what I mean? Just a little bit of elevator.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do now.
I mean, she's got a lot of weight to her, so just feather your elevator when you want to go up.
Nice.
Okay. I didn't set a timer on it,
All right.
but I think you'll be fine. Even if it loses power, we'll be able to get it down.
Get in another minute.
Enjoy it.
Gee, Scotty, that was a hell of a takeoff.
Dude, I thought I'd fall.
What was wrong with it? Why did it do that?
I think it just stalls right away. It's like stalled on the guy.
It's a long plane with a really big tail. So when you get it up in the air, it's like it wants a tail stall right away. It's almost like you've got to let it take itself off. You know, trim the elevator up a little bit, maybe, and just let it go straight.
Definitely needs as much speed as you can get.
Yeah, well, it does.
Keep it down longer to get up. And that's probably what I did wrong. I probably went up too quick when I went up, and it stalled.
It did.
Artificially made it
make
feel like
turn.
it was turning, but
absolutely.
it was just probably really stalling.
Yeah, it is a heavy plane.
Oh, but I do remember it going pretty fast there. So. Yeah. Well, not the second time around, it was going fast enough
not
to
for
stall.
anything. I don't think that my takeoff was very pretty. It was more of a touch and go and hope it freaking gets in the air again.
Yeah, but you kept it. Somehow. Sounds good, huh? I like the sound of it.
Yeah, sounds like a real plane.
I think it's a little louder because it's off balance, missing half the propeller.
You think?
I thought my extra 300 was sounding like before.
Shall we
try to bring it
in, Scott? Fly it for a little bit. Go a couple more rounds.
Yeah?
It's got a big 2800 in it. Really does sound like a real plane.
Sounds good.
See how it tail falls?
Yeah. Now I see why you have the speed.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure you park right in the middle of the parking lot. Come and land on your roof.
Yeah.
That would be sort of fun.
If you want to play more, cut that throttle down
Listen,
and just play it.
Yeah,
You know, do whatever you want. But
I think I don't know how many approaches you want to make.
one. One and done.
One and done. But just in case it doesn't do what
I
you
don't-
want it
I don't
to,
like
I think
that.
I'd come in early.
I don't like that that abort mission.
Yeah, but
That doesn't usually end
that's
very
too
well
much
for
lift
me.
it might-
Here, Scott, I'm gonna hand it over to you. Let's get her up high. I'll tell you when I want to take it. You keep flying.
Get high.
Get high.
All right.
You can give it whatever you want to do.
Hey, watch out. Okay, I'm gonna bring this bad boy in. Maybe.
Maybe.
No attempt to. Watch out,
I
guys.
don't want to be able.
Now, remember, Scott, that's got some weight to it, so when it starts coming in, it's going to come in like a rock.
There's,
Oh boy.
yeah, there's the seats going out.
But you think so? Off. You're not supposed to really touch it taking off, I bet you it lands itself. Dang.
Yeah!
Good. All right.
Woo!